Alright, so a couple of guys asked me to make a video of my computer once it was built. So here goes. That is the setup there. I'll get a little closer to it here in a little bit. And we've got my keyboard and mouse. Mouse is a Cooler Master Storm Spawn, and keyboard, that's just a kind of generic gaming keyboard, but that will be replaced here pretty soon with a Quickfire Rapid Cooler Storm red switches. And headset, and that headset is actually going to be replaced with a Siberia version 2 red. And there's the old mouse. Old monitor, it is Asus 24-inch LED 1080p. Just an old Dell 17 I got. And then there's the crown jewel, that's the 27-inch 2560 by 1440 IPS panel. And then over here you have the Roswell Blackhawk Ultra case, and that is a T-Virus res, and the fan. And I'll go ahead and open it up and get a little bit of a closer look at some of the details that we put inside.